Last call to place your bets. And they're off. Early lead is taken by the Saving by the Rail, Tony P on the outside, and Tucker's Diamond moving up on the outside, Gandang Pinay, and entry number 2, Whistler. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Tony P by half a length, followed by the Saving by the Rail, and running in third by 4.5 lengths, Gandang Pinay, Tucker's Diamond, and Whistler. And nearing the far turn, it is still the Saving by the Rail, Tony P on the outside, Gandang Pinay remains in third by 4.5 lengths, and Tucker's Diamond, Whistler. Rounding the far turn, Tony P on the outside, the Saving by the Rail, and closing in third is entry number 5, Gandang Pinay, Tucker's Diamond on the outside, and Whistler. The last bend for home, it's Tony P by half a length, followed by the Saving by the Rail, and Gandang Pinay remains in third, Tucker's Diamond moving up on the inside, and Whistler. And into the home stretch, it's the Saving by the Rail on the outside, Tony P, and moving up on the inside, Tucker's Diamond, Gandang Pinay on the farther outside, but it's still deceiving. Tucker's Diamond moving up on the inside, and Gandang Pinay is deceiving, and Tucker's Diamond moving up on the inside. And finally, at the payoff line, Tucker's Diamond deceiving, Whistler, Gandang Pinay, Tony P.
Antimano, nagbakbakan yung